A photograph was captured of the CEO of Huawei using an unexpected device. In the photograph, it can be seen that he is on a plane. In fact, the photo was taken with a Mate X. So, even though this photograph is published as if it were a leak, I think it was very planned. The photograph is being shared on Chinese social media, where we can see that the device being used is the triptych foldable that we have all been waiting for. So it has the proportions of a tablet. It is a horizontal screen that would make very good use of the space, but you can more or less perceive the folds that naturally occur in foldable screens, so it could be that this device has the shape of a traditional smartphone, but when you unfold it, it has the shape of a horizontal tablet and not just a small square tablet like what we currently see in traditional foldables. However, the thickness is what scares me a little. It looks like a device that doesn't appear so thin when unfolded, so I imagine that when folded it could be even thicker. Although it also seems to have a stylus stored on this side, so it's likely that only this side has the thickness to store the stylus. When the device is folded, it might maintain the same thickness as the frame, but this is still unknown. The truth is that I have high expectations for this device, due to the good capabilities it might have of carrying a phone that you can later transform into a full-size tablet, but it is highly likely that this device will only be distributed in China. It is said that the screen could be approximately 10 inches, and it is very likely that this device will be presented this year. I already completely need it.